Basta na yan, boss.
Wala.
May bisita tayo eh.
Oo nga, may nanalo pala ngayon. Nasaan na?
Sa labas eh. Yan natin to. Large.
Nandito na yung magki-claim ng second helmet giveaway natin na galing kay Billy Crawford. So, size large naman. Meron pa tayong mga dalawang helmet pa na i-giveaway na galing kay Billy Crawford. So, ngayon, ito na yung pangalawa. So, tara, punta natin siya. Ano pangalan?
Ano pangalan?
Hindi ko maalala.
Asan siya? Ano name ulit?
Renz Patrick po.
Renz Patrick. So, yun. Ito na yung size large. Sana exact sa kanya.
Sana.
Sana.
Kaso wala na yung pirma ni Billy Crawford eh.
Hindi.
Nandiyan pa.
Yan sila sir, mga customer din natin from LTO, tao ba? Then just in case kasi, para mabigyan din kayo ng backstory. Si Billy Crawford po kasi, nag-donate sa amin ng para sa mga subscribers natin sa YouTube. Sana all. Pwede rin kayo sumali sir, kasi basta nanonood kayo sa YouTube namin. Tapos may rules lang doon na pwedeng i-share. Tapos entitled na agad. 4 po yung pangalawang helmet na po to. Every 2 weeks namimigay po. Ano yan? HJC din? HJC po. HJC.
Kasi-
Pirma niya.
Hindi, pirma ni Boss Jason yan eh.
Ginaya ko lang.
Sabi minsan nakakabilib yung putang ganda ng tatabi sa akin, ganda ng helmet oh. Pag takbo, kinuha yung ibang lane, kamote pala.
Yun. May message ba kayo sir sa mga kamote?
Kamote pala.
Sir, nag-LTO to kaya...
Ano ibig sabihin ng go it approaching stoplight? Nga.
Oo nga, di niya alam.
Pogi lang helmet eh.
Basta nagmomotor kasi, hindi naman marunong sumunod sa mga traffic rules
Ganda
natin.
ng helmet niya, sabi ko, mamahalin yan, 30 yan. Pag takbo, yung utak pala, 700.
Patay tayo dyan. Ito yun. Ito na mismo yun. Oo, sana magkasya sa'yo.
Sakto!
Kayang pilitin. Kayang pilitin. Luluwag pa yan. Just in case, nasa sa'yo na yan. At least nanalo ka. Congratulations
Thank you so
to you.
much po.
And maraming salamat sa pag-support sa aming channel.
Subok na yung HJC na yan.
Yan oh.
Salamat sir.
Yung kasama ko last 5 years ago na aksidente sa Sugsugod. 3 baliktad. Buo yung labas. Yung loob lang yung styrofoam lang na biyak. Buhay yung tao.
Sila na po mismo ang nagsabi nun. Tama po ba kaibigan kayo ni Tito? Tito Eddie Dilaw? Ako, Eddie.
Kasama ko sa meron yun.
Well, just in case, bago natin makalimutan, baka may message ka para kay Billy kasi galing sa kanya yan eh.
Thank you so much po, Mr. Billy Crawford. Malaking bagay po sa akin to kasi luma na rin po talaga yung helmet ko, sira-sira na rin po. Kaya maagang Christmas gift po, sir. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po.
Okay lang yung mga ganito, 30, okay lang yan, reasonable lang yan. Kasi pag binuksan yung utak mo, 1 million eh.
Oo nga eh. Oo.
Tapos helmet mo, 700 lang.
Yun na nga eh. Pero syempre dapat ano yun eh, wala yan sa... Tama, kasama sa pagmumotor yung wearing ng proper gear. Pero syempre dapat marunong ko rin sa rules. Kumbaga hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta nagsaswerve, kung saan ka sumisingit.
Ito niya, mauna siya para makita yung helmet niya. Ganda yung helmet niya eh. Ano, pag takbo pala, 700 lang yung takbo.
Thank you.
So, congrats.
Thank you po, Tots. Thank you po.
Mga ka-MNL! Dumating na. Ayan, oh. Basa nyo ba? Spike. Spike by Triumph JT MNL Marketing of the World.
Parang HJC.
Look at this, guys. Hindi kayo nagkakamali, ah. Nasa isang kwarto kami ni Kuya Nudge. Ayan si Kuya Nudge. Sa mga nagko-comment, manahimik na kayo.
This is a new product from Triumph JT. Actually, as you can see, this is a very good fitting race gloves. You can see there are so many. I have been using so many race gloves, but this is different. That you can see this fully for your safety here. Also here, carbon fiber, guys. Carbon fiber dito. This is carbon fiber, and the price is cheaper than anything in the market. And this is branded, made in Italy. Came from Italy, right? From Italy, yeah. Yes. Italy. So, not only this one, actually they are going to launch some new gear line, like a racing suit and for adventure, for sports. All the items will be displayed maybe next week, Mr. J-Mac, for the abuse. will be doing some.
Ayan, ang dami oh. Spike oh.
He will be doing some reviews and everything. I will do my review in the racetrack with this.
Oo. Siya sa racetrack.
With
Ako
this.
sa pang-araw-araw na buhay.
So this is really very good, brother. This one. I feel very comfortable on this one. This very good. When you wear this one, you don't feel like it's hard. It's very soft leather type, but it's good. I am taking one. Also suit. Come with me. I'll show you some suits.
We're not being paid. Kuya Nash is not being paid. Binili na yan.
Yeah, I'm buying. I'll
Really
show you
nice.
what I am buying right now here. Shopping mode. Spike. Yeah guys, this is a new full suit, and there is a two-piece suit also here, and we will show you next week that one. This is here, all the suits you can see that is actually this is fully covered, and there is no air breathing here. But this one, you can actually feel the air goes inside. So it's something-
Talaga?
Yeah. So this is.
Hindi kaya nga butas-butas pala. Tagos pala siya.
This one comes with the back protector, but you have to still wear the back protector, the extra. So this is from Italy, and when you compare the price, this like a half price. So there is some entry models. There is the high-end model also here. Just to come and check it out. Other thing, the Adventure, you will be.
Naka-display lahat dito yan sa Triumph JT dito sa Caloocan. Pwede nyo hawakan, haplosin. Hanapin nyo si, ang tagapagmana ng Triumph JT MNL.
Bawal
Alam
sa
niyo yan.
oten. Bawal sa oten.
Pwede lang yapusin, pero...
Yapusin. Bawal sa oten.
Pero ito, pinaka-ano ito.
Here. As you know, some of the brands. So this is Spike, and you can see same, better than that some of the biggest brands, and half price, and a good quality. It comes with all the paddings and everything. So come and check it out in Triumph JT. He's in love with. Yeah, this is a.
Ito ang tawag ko rito, Batman suit eh. Ako titignan mo ng malayo.
Kay Christian Bale.
Di ba? May abs. Pero wala siyang nipple. Kaya siya Christian Bale na Batman
Abs
suit.
lang.
Ayan ganda.
So there is a short also here. Not short. This
Short.
is it's a riding pants. So for the Adventure, this is a pair. So just come and check it out. This is not the discount price. There will be discount. Okay. Yeah, there will be discount. Say my name. Rajabdol.
Pero tingnan itong jacket na to. Half-half oh.
Estoril ba yan? Estoril Aragon.
Estoril.
Meron din tayong jacket na perfect for the heat.
Actually guys, what you seen here, this is not the price. Okay, we adjust already the price, and there is discounts also here. So this is for the Adventure.
Parang introductory discount. Parang gano'n.
Yes. The discount coupon is Najabdul.
Kaya maniwala, J-Mac.
Walang kwenta si Jema.
Kapag Natch Abdul, ano lang yan, konti lang. Pero pag J-Mac, mataas yung discount.
So guys, check
Paano
it
pa
out
pag
this
Ryan
one.
Punsan?
This is the mesh.
Yeah. As I said, there are so many big brands. Talo sila. Talo. Ouch. Talo. Ito, perfect na perfect. There is a inner coat also here. Libre yan, libre.
Inner thermal.
Oh, yung iba, separate yan, pero dito kasama. Oh, ito guys. Designer in Italy. Not China. So you can remove this one. So there is a, you can put your back protector if you want to put. So you can buy separately the back protection. Cheaper than any other big brands. And the quality is better than them. Just come and check it out guys.
Pero ito napansin ko rito kung meron kayong Batman na helmet na RP11. Ito magandang partner dyan. Tapos bumili kayo ng cape.
Para pag sumabit kayo,
Para pag ng gulong,
hila din kayo, no?
Yeah, this is the entry level of Cortec. So there is so many Cortec also here. So there are some more other things are coming guys. So we will put it on the vlog. J-Mac will put it on his vlog, and I will be putting on in my vlog with wearing all the things and doing the racetrack. J-Mac is losing weight, for a racetrack, and
Oh.
you will see him next year. He is on the racetrack.
Yeah.
Yeah, really, he's racing. Nowadays, he's not eating rice for not eating
Kailangan
rice.
pa talaga sabihin mo pa sa
Oh.
vlog yan.
Not eating rice for racing.
Leather na ito, yun lang siya. Ang lambot to. Di ba?
Yeah, it's a kangaroo leather. There is a kangaroo leather also in the
Full suit.
full suit. There is a two-piece also. There is a kangaroo leather also.
So ito, tagos din to kasi ano eh. Di ba?
Yes.
Tagos din.
Yeah.
May
So
inner
you-
suit, may inner
may
ano
inner
pa
suit.
to eh.
Libre yan, libre yan.
Libre pa?
Libre inner suit.
Wala kang makikitang leather
Yung
may
iba, nabenta nila kaseparate. Yung inner suit.
separate,
Oh, pero dito kasama.
Sama.
Oh. Pag gusto nyo mga... Oh.
Pati si Nudge. One night.
So guys, come on.
Kasi yung number niya, message niya ako, bibigay yung number.
There will be a temporary price drop para sa introductory prices nitong jackets. So as you can see, ipopost namin soon yung mga SRP niya. And also, there will be a introductory period na discounted yung mga price.
Kung ako sa inyo, pumunta na kayo rito. Available na ngayon to.
Yeah, available.
Oh, punta na kayo rito. Kailan mo i-upload to? Upload mo na agad.
Edit na agad.
Oh, edit mo. Yan yung computer mo.
Bro, how many models we have here? Three.
Actually, no. Actually, for now, 4 colors only.
Four, not colors, model.
Model 2.
Two
For now.
models,
For now.
yeah.
But there are at least 4 different. These are the middle and the high end na in-order natin.
Pero yun, yung suot mo dun sa vlog ni Kuya Nudge na gagawa pa ng thumbnail ni Francis.
Ito yun. Oo nga, hindi pa, yung thumbnail daw, Francis.
Ito yung suot
Yeah.
mo, no? Ito yung suot mo.
This is the one he used.
Ito. Ito yung high
Yeah.
end.
Yan, medyo madumi na.
Yeah. This
Ay,
is
ito yung suot mo?
yeah.
Oh, yan mismo yung suot.
Later I will upload my video and you can see this is the one he wear on the
For
racetrack.
sale to?
Hindi. This display only.
Kung gusto nyo mag-amoy Jason T motovlog, ito, bilhin nyo.
Magandang balat ito.
Gandang balat.
This is you can give it to the dry clean, remove the paddings, and you can give it to the dry cleaners to clean up your leather. So it's very easy.
We decided to bring in si Spike kasi we've been receiving a lot of parang mga suggestions na syempre si HJC, may helmet tayo, naghahanap sila din ng pang full protection na for the whole body. So since we already have the pants, the shoes, we brought in itong brand na to for different kinds of riding. May pang adventure tayo, kompleto tayo dyan. May pang daily use. Meron tayong pang racetrack. Meron ding mga waterproof na jackets. Yun nga, pang mga daily wear. Besides that, marami pang darating kasi for now, we're planning to introduce it muna sa market.
So,
Pero may ano, pwede ako mag-request. Di ba yung full suit? Pwede bang i-model ni Tagapagmana? Pwede bang i-model yung isa?
Pwede naman po.
so guys,
Kaya-
just check it out. We will be reviewing some of the gears. So he will be reviewing also. We are waiting for his size. So,
Siya yung inaantay. Siya yung inaantay
Yeah.
magka-size. Hindi kami yung mag-order ng size niya.
yeah.
Thank
So
for the views.
Hindi nag-rise yan, no?
Yeah,
No rise.
for me, no problem. The sizes because for him, he is still reducing the rice for race.
Hindi, totoo yun.
Yeah, reducing the rice for race.
Right for race.
Yeah, rice for race. So he will be waiting for his gear, and I will be trying this one probably on my next track day. So with some of the gloves, maybe I will get one of the suit, and I will show you what I am feel. Diba, J-Mac?
Yes.
You coming for racetrack?
Balik tambalan na po ulit ang Nudge J-Mac. Huwag na kayong umiyak. Andito na kami. We're back!
So, anong nangyari sa amin bala, di ba?
Ano balik? Hindi kasi, mag-i-explain ba ako rito?
Oh, explain mo nga.
Kasi si Kuya Nudge, na-busy na siya. Lagi siyang nagmo-motovlog. Baliktad na ang mundo namin ngayon. Siya yung motovlog, ako naman sa business. Kaya ngayon, okay na. Balik tambalan na ulit.
Ngayon, wala kaming business sa puro motovlog.
Walang pera.
Oh, yun ang explanation. 3 months si day off si J-Mac from motovlogging. So
Siya naman po, na-busy lang.
I took his place to overtake him. Subscriber nyo
Subscribe kayo rito. Yan.
Subscribe.
Mas maganda kung nagpasampa ako ni Kuya Nudge.
Kahit unsubscribe ito, subscriber nyo sa akin. Uy, subscribe kayo ito. Subscribe kayo. Ano?
Dati, sinasabi niya, subscribe sa akin, pero ngayon, kinukuha na niya lahat. Oy, pero congratulations, 100K. Yan.
Hindi lang.
Yes.
Hindi lang. Subscribe kayo, Triumph JT.
Oo nga pala, hindi nga pala yung channel.
Subscribe kayo, Triumph JT.
Dalin natin ang 100K naman at Triumph JT MNL. Yan.
Pag sino-sino hindi subscribe ka sa sa Triumph JT,
Hahanapin kayo ni Kuya Nudge.
hindi, yung followers ko, please subscribe. Followers ni J-Mac.
Yes, subscribe kayo. Triumph
Diba,
JT.
nasabi nyo si J-Mac sobrang busy. He's so late to upload nowadays the videos. So if you boring, you can unsubscribe there and subscribe here. So he will upload two.
Oo, kasi makikita nyo rin ako sa mga channel.
So guys, subscribe all of the motovloggers, support all of them. Support all of them. Not for one person. We like to have one big community as a motovlogging community.
Yes.
Diba, brother?
Yes.
Yeah, we support everyone.
Yeah.
There is no hate. So there will be something very, very exciting going to happen with J-Mac
Yes.
in 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time.
In 2 weeks time.
Depende kung kailan i-upload ni Francis.
Oh, yeah.
Pero sandali na lang yan eh. Kasi may computer na siya rito. Yan, work from office na siya.
Congrats for your new computer.
Yan.
Now no more mobile editing. Mobile phone.
Wala ka ng dahilan ngayon. Araw-araw ka na pumasok.
So guys, there will be something exciting things going to happen with J-Mac.
Sama natin ang Triumph JT dyan. Di pa natin sasabi kay Boss Jason eh.
Oh, wag mo na lang sabihin. Secret na lang tayo.
yan,
Surprise.
yan.
Pero katabi lang nila ako.
Surprise.
Nandito lang ako.
Surprise.
Surprise yan.
Something you will love it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. First time in history of the planet Earth. Diba?
No, the Philippines.
Philippines lang.
Yeah, first time yan.
First time.
Tagaan nyo sa bato yan. First time in history.
Yes. So hintayin nyo na lang. Kasama na yan si Triumph JT tapos Babyfish.
Tayo yan, abangan yan.
Oh, maganda yan.
Ano yan? Organized by Kuya Nudge.
Yes.
Paano yung ending?
Babush!
Okay guys, just come in Triumph JT and check all the products. Check it out, all the new lineup. So and support their business. Support all of them. All the the retailer of JC, Triumph JT, and his business 86.
Yeah, thank you Kuya Nudge.
Yeah, support his business and thank you guys. Stay safe.
Babush!